Direct current. Direct current. Direct current is one directional flow of electric charge. An electrochemical cell is a prime example of DC power. Direct current may flow through conductor such as wire, but can also flow through semiconductors, insulators, or even through a vacuum as in electron or ion beams. Diagrammatic representation. The red line represents the direct current. The vertical axis shows current or voltage and the horizontal t-axis measures time and shows the zero value. Modern concept of electricity. Electricity is defined as a flow of electron or electric current. It is an invisible form of energy that can be transformed into other form of energy like heat, light and mechanical. Electron is a negatively charged component of an atom. It has the ability to flow. Proton is a positively charged component of an atom. It has the ability to attract electrons. Matter is anything that occupies space and has mass. It can be solid, liquid or a gas in the state. Atom is a basic component of matter. It composes of a nucleus, which is a central part, the protons and the electron. Current, same as electricity or a flow of electron. The amount of current flowing in a circuit can be measured in amperes. Voltage is the amount of pulling force that makes the electron flow. It is also known as potential difference or electromotive force. The amount of voltage can be measured in volt. Resistance is defined as the opposition to flow of current. The amount of resistance can be measured in ohms. Conductors are materials that easily allow the flow of current or it has a low resistance to current flow. Example, aluminium, gold, silver, copper, iron. Insulators are materials that do not easily allow the flow of current or it has a high resistance to current flow. Example, rubber, plastic, paper. Theory of electricity. As from this anatomic theory, the flow of electrons gives the electricity. We know that like charges repel, whereas unlike charges attract. Fundamental electric charge. Proton, an elementary particle that is identical with the nucleus of the hydrogen atom that along with the neutron is a constituent of all other atomic nuclei that carries a positive charge numerically equal to a charge of the electron and has a mass of 1.673 into 10 to the power of -27 kilogram. Electron. An electron is a negatively charged subatomic particle. It can be either free or bound to the nucleus of an atom. Electron in atoms exist in spherical shells of various radii, representing energy levels. The larger the spherical shell, the higher the energy contained in the electron. Protons and electrons are shown in the figure. Bond and free electrons. A bond electron is one that is still considered part of an atom and it is attached to the nucleus, whereas a free electron is one that is absorbed enough energy from photons and completely leave the atom. Static electric charge. Static electricity is an imbalance of electric charges within or on the surface of a material. The charge remains until it is able to move away by means of electric current or electric discharge. Charging of a capacitor. When a battery is connected to a series resistor and a capacitor, the initial current is high as the battery transports charge from one plate of the capacitor to the other. The charging current asymptotically approaches zero as the capacitor becomes charged up to the battery voltage. Charging the capacitor stores energy in the electric field between the capacitor plates. The rate of charging is typically described in terms of time constant. Charging and discharging of a capacitor is represented in this figure. Potential difference. Potential difference is the difference in the amount of energy that charge carries have between 2 points in a circuit. A potential difference of 1 volt is equal to 1 joule of energy being used by 1 coulomb of charge when it flows between 2 points in a circuit. Electromotive force. The electromotive force is defined as the electric potential produced by either electrochemical cell or by changing the magnetic field. EMF is commonly used acronym for electromotive force. A generator or a battery is used for the conversion of energy from one form to another. Difference between voltage and EMF is represented